Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: an iPhone or iPad with the required iOS and a charged battery. Once done, unlock the device and open settings. You'll go straight to accessibility. You need either a physical external switch or the device itself set up as a switch. That's the only way to use switch control. Make sure you have your passcode handy, because enabling the feature may prompt a security confirmation before continuing. You now enable and configure switch control. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Switch Control and toggle it on. Next, add a switch. Select External for a hardware switch or screen to tap the display. Once added, assign that switch to actions like Select, Move, or Home. Then customize scanning. Choose Manual or Auto Scanning, set scan time and hold duration, and adjust the scanner cursor size and speed so navigation matches how quickly you want to work. Finish by testing the switch. Navigate home, open an app, and perform basic actions to confirm assignments work as expected. If navigation feels slow, make timing and scanning speed adjustments. If actions misfire, reassign the switch roles. If an external switch won't respond, power cycle the switch and repair via Bluetooth or the manufacturer's pairing method. If that fails, restart your device and re-enable switch control. That simple reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.